scale, to make this business, is about the first thing about the mindset. If somebody want to go digital, the first is about have to change the first mindset of quick return of investment.
After working like last 15 years in IT field, this is what I realized. What is IT? Yeah.
Sure, thank you.
So let's give a big hand to these student leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give a big hand to them?
Because in traditional business, you buy motorbike parts, bring it on there, put it on your inventory, people come and you sell, you get it. But the digital space is not like that. Digital space about the mindset needs to be fixed about that. I'm gonna invest on that one for at least 6 to 1 year of time to create the brand. Why? Because it comes with compounding the value. That means in the beginning you're going to get zero revenue in digital space for a few months or even a year. But you have to put a huge amount of work and content development. And the second thing is about somebody have to think about that. Oh, I'm making X amount of dollar right now revenue, and I want to get more. I want more. If somebody think that I'm done, I'm happy with this, they will never scale their business. So digital business is not for them. Somebody need to think about, I want to make more. I'm making $500,000 or $5,000 a month revenue, and I want to make $20,000. I want to scale my revenue up. So that's the way somebody have to fix the mindset. So that's like a mindset. The second thing about, you told me about your store, it's a very traditional model, right? You have a unique store over there, and the owner is decorating the shop to get a lot of attraction from the client. Perfect. It's amazing. But still there is an opportunity left out. So let's talk about this. There is 1,000 items over there, right? That's absolutely fine. Not a problem. You can filter, let's say, 50 items of them, which are highly profitable. And you think that people need it a lot. Like most of the people need it outside in the community. And on high sales over there, your mom and dad selling over there already, but you can sell outside too. So you can take 50 or even you can take 30 items, which is high selling and high profitable. You take them in, then you can create a Facebook page and you can add it on as an item by taking a photo of them and put it on an item. So each of the items will have a photo and you have a little bit of description and the price. And you can connect them all to your bank account. So people can buy online from there as well too. And then you can do your delivery yourself or Grab and so on. The second thing is about, you want to be more fancy, then this is the best way. Make a website. Different kind of website available. You don't have to do any coding. You can do a product catalog for free by paying $25 a year. That's it. And you can list all of the items. And then what you could do, you can make a video channel or make a video about describing how this product is good for the motorbike. And what are the symptoms of your motorbike means you need to replace that parts. So that means basically you are educating the mass people about improving their motorbike knowledge rather than just telling them how to buy it. And if you do it for, let's say, 3 to 1 year of time, you start to get sales. And people start to go online, they'll buy. And more importantly, it already is a physical business. So it already has a known community as well too. But you need to find out one thing. You need to find out the delivery cost because you are living in District 12, right? So if somebody offering from Tanfu or somebody ordering from District 1, there will be high distance delivery cost, right? But to do this one, this is the thing. You can run a Facebook page. You can run an ad targeted to 3 districts around your district. So the delivery cost is cheaper because you can run an ad in Facebook because anything you post on Facebook page doesn't go anywhere right now. The third thing is about it's on you. You're an entrepreneur, right? You want to do a digital business, so you're a digital entrepreneur. So first thing you need to find out how you can reduce your delivery cost. This is your game. You need to figure it out. But I think that your mom and dad doing pretty good still. I mean, but again, I told you that I want to get better. I want to earn. I want to go scale. I want to sell more. And that is the kicking first point of stepping into this objective. Somebody is saying that I'm good. I'm happy with $5,000 revenue, $5,000 revenue a month, and they will not be investing more. The investor mindset is about, I want to invest more in my business to scale this one up. But I agree, it's a lot of work. So you need to find partners. Maybe you cannot do it alone. You have to work with someone else, and you need to work.